El Camino Del Mar, Legion of Honor, Legion of Honor, it's 0.4 miles, and the medical center, Eagles Point, 1 mile. So this is August 16th. Continue on part 3 of this walk. You can see part 2 up there. And now this is the path. Used to go through here every day. And I love every moment of it. Just like I do now. I still enjoy every single moment of being here. When you're here, you feel alive. You're doing shit all day long. I mean, you're not just waiting for things to happen. Over here, you are actively participating all the things, even if you don't want to. I mean, because you're surrounded by it, and you'll get sucked into it. You'll get involved. Like when I used to live on Turk, that was heaven and hell. I mean, downstairs there's nothing to brag about, but the view was amazing, and I had that for so many years. And there's always something going on over there at Civic Center, so even if it's got nothing to do with you, you will still notice it because you hear the noise from it. So that's always awesome. I enjoy that, just looking out the window and see what's going on and see if I want to participate. And there are many events I don't know what's about, but I went on and participated in it, so I enjoyed it. Ooh, look. Like I say, first time in about, not nearly 3 years, but almost 3 years. In 3 years without this, it's a long time for me. I mean, maybe nothing for other people, depending on where you live, but over here, everything is valuable. Not in the sense of money, but like the fact that it makes you go, ah, like this, where are we going right now? Let me show you. Typically, you might have a super awesome view from here. I mean, look at it. Everything is just spectacular. Just amazing. Look at it. Hopefully the sun will break out. Then we really see something amazing. But look at this. The fog is moving in, but my God, the surrounding, and it's just me. It's so crazy. Like there's no one around except for me. Well, there's a few people there, but you know. Actually get some sun. Not likely though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's pretty sunny elsewhere, everywhere. Sunny to the point where it's irritating. But, should I take that? Long way or short way home? Let's go this way. This is literally my playground, so I know my way around here pretty well. Oh yeah, we almost come back here this past weekend. Good thing we didn't. Look at it. This park, it's amazing. Um, the right time of the year or the right time of the season, this would be fluorescent green. Everything, it's like bright green. It's really amazing. I mean, it's amazing now, and it always made me feel like the story of Alice in Wonderland. This is what the Wonderland looks like to me, at least in my mind. And I always think that, you know, I will come across a rabbit, a gnome, some kind of fairy when I'm out here, but usually just crazies and creeps. But 99% of the time, it's just me and the world. So I love that. It's pretty awesome. Well, this is kind of the as a part 3, part 4. I don't know, but I'll start part 5. So we're down here. I'm gonna get into a segment. Okay, so this is where it connect with the other path. Okay,